then available in all streaming platforms that you can access them there. God bless you as you do that. Thank you for being there. Let's check it out.
When my hands let go, yours held on. DJ Jerryman, softly stay in it. I held on tight for far too long, trying to prove that I was strong. I gripped my plans, I held my will, I tried to force what wouldn't still. But slowly life slipped through my hands. Nothing was going the way I planned. I felt the loss, I felt the strain of holding on through silent pain. And when my hands could hold no more, I felt them open at the core. You did not leave, you did not run. That's when I learned what you had done. When my hands let go, yours held on. When my strength was gone, you stayed strong. When I could not carry it anymore, you carried me like never before. When my hands let go, yours held on. You were steady when everything felt wrong. When I lost control of all I knew, I found my life secured in you. I thought that letting go meant losing all, that I would break, that I would fall. I thought surrender was the end of every hope I tried to defend. But in that moment, deep and wide, I felt your peace come rest inside. Not taking from me what I need, but freeing me from what I could not keep. When my hands let go, yours held on. When my strength was gone, you stayed strong. When I could not carry it anymore, you carried me like never before. When my hands let go, yours held on. You were steady when everything felt wrong. When I lost control of all I knew, I found my life secured in you. DJ Jerryman, no fear, just trust. There was a moment I stopped the fight. No more pushing with all my might, no more trying to take command. I placed it all in your hand, and in that place so calm, so deep, I found a rest I could not keep. Not earned by me, not held by force, but given freely from your source. You never needed my control, you only wanted all my soul. When my hands let go, yours held on. When my strength was gone, you stayed strong. When I could not carry it anymore, you carried me faith and trust in you. I do not fall beyond your care. Your hands are always holding there. And even now through all unknown, I am not left to stand alone. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, still held. When my hands let go, yours held on. When my strength was gone, you stayed strong. When I could not carry it anymore, you carried me like never before. When my hands let go, yours held on. You were steady when everything felt wrong. When I lost control of all I knew, I found my life secure in you. My hands let go, your hands held on, and that is where I now belong.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by give me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me on this platform. God bless you. We are still in a worship moment. Praise will soon come up. Remain connected in case if that is what you are waiting for. Remain connected and don't forget all these songs have already been made available in all streaming platforms that you can access them there. You know, here I am in charge, I'm in control here, but out there you will be in charge because you listen to the ones you want to listen to. But here I determine what you listen to. Okay, please kindly pay a visit and you will be amazed with what you encounter there. Let's continue with worship. Any moment from now, we shall switch to the praises. Remain connected.
You came closer than my fear. DJ Jerryman, softly we draw near.
You came closer than my fear. That's the title. You came closer than my fear.
Every thought would not let me rest. My heart was racing, my mind was loud. I stood so small under a cloud. No clear direction, no steady ground, just heavy silence all around. I tried to stand, tried to fight, but fear kept growing in the night. Then in that moment, so deep, so real, you came closer than what I feel. You came closer than I feel, closer than the dark inside. When my world was shaking, you were standing by my side. You came closer than my feet, oh, closer than the darkest night. When I thought I was alone, you were there. You were my light. I thought the fear would drive you far, that I was lost from who you are. I thought my weakness was too much to ever feel your steady touch. But you did not move, you did not leave. You stayed with me and made me breathe. Not far away, not out of reach, but right beside me within my need. You came closer than my fear, oh, closer than the dark inside. When my world was shaking, you were standing was alone, you were there. You were my light. DJ Jerryman, no noise, just presence. There was a night I almost ran from everything I did not understand. Too many questions, too much weight, too many reasons to hesitate. But in that pause I felt you near, not removing every fear, but standing stronger than it all, so I would not completely fall. You came closer than my fear, closer than the doubt inside. When my world was shaking, you were standing by my side. You came closer than my fear, closer than the darkest night. When I thought I was alone, you were there. You were my light. Now I know I do not fight this life alone, through day or night. Even when the fear remains, your presence breaks every chain. You do not wait for perfect peace, you meet me in my trembling knees, and in that place I finally see you are enough to carry me. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, even here. You came closer than my fear, closer than the doubt inside. When my world was shaking, you were standing by my side. Closer than my fear, closer than the darkest night. When I thought I was alone, you were there. You were my light. You came closer. You came closer. Stay closer. You are closer than my fear.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. God bless you. We are in a worship moment. Praise is still on the way. Remain connected.
DJ Jerryman, I try to rise, I try to move, but every step I try to prove felt so heavy, felt so slow, like I had nowhere left to go. My strength was gone, my will was weak, I had no answers left to see.